For over 14 years, Topworth Group has put excellence at work in their diversified business interests such as steel, mining, energy, aluminium foils, infrastructure, agriculture, and pipes and tubes. Topworth Group of companies is headed by its founder chairman, Mr. Abhay Lodha, a first-generation entrepreneur under whose dynamic leadership the conglomerate today comprises of 22 group companies, more than 2,500 employees, and total revenues over $1.5 billion. Topworth Pipes and Tubes plant was commissioned in the year 2010 with a production capacity of 375,000 metric tons per annum. The factory is located at Khapoli, 100 kilometers away from Mumbai, India's financial capital. This state-of-the-art plant specializes in high-quality production of helical SAW pipes, ERW pipes or electric resistance welded pipes, external coated pipes and internal coated pipes. The HR coils are procured from approved steel mills from India and abroad as raw material for spiral pipe manufacturing. Received HRC goes through internal inspection as per quality plan and is stored after a unique coil number is given to each coil. As per the requirement of the particular orders, the accepted coils are selected and opened using the most modern coil opener designed by ETIS, Germany, and supplied by INITECH machinery of Korea. The opened coil then goes to SPM, spiral pipe manufacturing, and is decoiled and flattened. The auxiliary driver pushes the front end of the strip through the flattening machine to the main drive. The strip measuring device is used to maintain the width precisely with the help of a guided laser beam. The front ends are cut with the plasma cutting machine. The crossmiller prepares the edge profile of the coil tongue and cross-welding joins both the ends of the coil. The edge milling machine prepares the profile of the coil edge for welding by using facing and beveling cutters. The milling cutters are installed to cater to the maximum thickness of 25 mm at a speed of 10 meters per minute. The coils are then tested with an online ultrasonic testing machine supplied by GE Inspection Technologies, Germany, which checks for any imperfection like laminations, etc. Total coil widths are checked using 80 different probes. It can accept a thickness range from 6 mm up to a maximum 25.4 mm with a test speed of 10 meters per minute. Automatically, individual graphs are generated for each coil tested and passed. The forming section, at which pipes are formed into spiral pipes by using the auto gap control system. The diameter range is 18 inches to 80 inches and the thickness range is 25 mm maximum and 6 mm minimum. The continuous track welding machine ensures that the MIG, metal inert gas, welding speed is maintained at the desired welding speed, and the machine is designed to weld up to a maximum 10 meters per minute, supported by a laser tracking system to ensure proper tack welding. The totally automatic plasma cutting machine cuts the pipes into the desired length precisely. Then the pipes are passed through the pipe cleaning machine. All pipes are then passed on to the offline welding stations where final saw welding is carried out from the inside and outside diameters with tandem welding systems supplied by ESAB of Sweden. Topworth has 3 offline welding stations with each having a welding speed of 2.2 meters per minute to match the output of GMAW, gas metal arc welding. The pipe mill can manufacture pipes as per the various international standards like API 5L, BIS, AWWA, ASTM, EN, or any client-customized specifications. This plant has API, American Petroleum Institute, license to manufacture pipes up to grade X80, PSL2 as per API 5L. To maintain the highest standards of production, all data is documented for future use. The real-time radiography machine supplied by GE Germany then examines the total welded length for any imperfections. This is like a completely automatic X-ray of the pipe to catch any defects not visible to the human eyes. All images are saved in this data logger for online reference and quality control. Both the ends of the pipe are then chamfered with the help of this end beveling machine supplied by INITECH machinery. This is a fully automatic system with end clamping system and automated chip removal conveyor. The hydrostatic tester then does a thorough leak test of the entire pipe with a maximum water force of 3,600 tons and a water pressure of 350 bar. Online charts are recorded for inspection reference and quality control. Analog and digital meters are installed for a perfect calibration. The automatic online ultrasonic testing machine from GE Inspection Technology Germany thoroughly tests the pipe for entire weld and heat-affected zone HAZ-related imperfections. This unique machine has a maximum helical test speed of 20 meters per minute and uses an automated laser seam tracking system. The two X-ray machines from General Electric mounted on the booms are used to check each end of the pipe welds after the ultrasonic test process is completed. The magnetic particle inspection test then counterchecks for any cracks or laminations at pipe ends and beveled surface. Microprocessor-based controls ensure that magnified and demagnetized images can be easily viewed. The details of each station are recorded in the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning system, and once the pipes are completely finished, they are then given the unique pipe number which can be easily tracked. All pipes are then immaculately weighed, inspected and numbered exactly as per the specifications. The pipes are now ready for third-party inspection. Topworth has the most advanced laboratory facilities with all the required equipment for conducting physical, chemical and mechanical testing of the raw material and welded pipes. This fully computerized universal testing machine with digital control panels is for tensile and bend tests of actual specimens from the pipes that have been manufactured in this world-class plant. It also has the Charpy Impact and DWTT drop weight tear test machines for testing API 5L line pipes. In addition to this, there are various other stringent quality control checks like metallurgical microscope and spectrometer testing equipment for chemical analysis, Vickers hardness tester, profile projector and drop weight tear test machine. ERW tubes and pipes of minimum half-inch to maximum 4 inches section and rectangles with a wall thickness of a minimum 1.6 mm to 5.4 mm maximum are produced in this state-of-the-art plant. The maximum production capacity is 75,000 metric tons per annum. For electric resistance welded pipes, the process starts with slitting machines where the coils are cut. Then the coil is loaded on the machine. This is the only welding system in the modern world where no filler material is used. These shear-end welders then join each coil together and pushes the coil into the horizontal accumulator. The embossing and stamping takes place in the pre-forming machine and the output subsequently passes through the fin pass section and seam guide section. After high-frequency induction welding session at 400 kilowatts, the pipe is cooled by air gush and water zone. Sizing section and pipe cutting takes place after the pipes are passed through the cold saw cutoff machine. Proper identification, lab testing and pre-visual inspection ensures that only quality okayed pipes are approved for hydrostatic testing. Final inspection for visual dimensions and proportions takes place prior to third-party inspection. All the high-quality pipes are weighed, painted, varnished and stenciled before final packaging. The pipes are now ready for dispatch. Topworth's coating plant is supplied by INITECH Korea to carry out internal liquid epoxy lining of pipes from 18 to 80 inches outer diameter with an installed capacity of 2.4 million square meters per annum. External coating of FBE fusion bonded epoxy, DFBE dual layer fusion bonded epoxy coating, 3-layer polyethylene, 3-layer polypropylene for pipes from 8 to 64 inches outer diameter with an installed capacity of 3.6 million square meters per annum. All bare pipes are preheated and passed through 2 abrasive blasting machines. The pipes are then cleaned internally and sent to the blowout station. After proper inspection of the blasting surface, the tapes are applied as a process of cutback preparation. Internal epoxy coating is done and curing takes place after that. Similarly, for external coating, preheating and surface preparation is done using 2 abrasive blasting, followed by chemical pre-treatment and de-ionized high-pressure water wash, induction heating, and then appropriate coating as per the specifications is carried out. There is a state-of-the-art laboratory well equipped with differential scanning calorimeter, analytical balance, microscope, hot air oven for conditioning of the sample, moisture analyzer and weighing balance, portable coating detector, pinhole tester, and indentation test apparatus. In addition to the well-equipped, best-in-class manufacturing facility, it is also backed by a very competent team of senior managers, experts, engineers, staff, supervisors, and workers. Very confidently, step by step, Topworth Pipes and Tubes is all set to achieve market leadership in this segment of welded pipes through 100% customer satisfaction, optimum utilization of available resources through maximizing the production, stringent quality control, timely delivery of finished products, and excellent corporate social responsibility initiatives. Topworth Group continues its journey of excellence and overall welfare of all its employees. Topworth Group is all poised to take on new challenges and create many more milestones towards a better tomorrow.